Hey, if you want to boost the bass of your JBL Xtreme 4, first of all, you will have to open the JBL portable application on your smartphone, select your speaker, and when you do this, you will have to go into the equalizer and go for the custom one. And now we have to turn on the low frequencies, like this. In my opinion, the best way to set it up is just to get this one for 6 and this one in 4. And additionally you can turn on the mids into the 1 or 2. This is the best low frequency preset. And also we can turn on the low frequency mode by using 2 buttons combination. You will have to click and hold the volume down button and the Bluetooth button for 8 seconds. So keep holding the both buttons, and after this you will find a small difference with the low frequencies. There we go, now you can release. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.